Hello and welcome to this Klusterbox tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to download and install Klusterbox for Windows. So the first thing you have to do is go to the web browser. I use Firefox, but you can use whatever you like. So go to klusterbox.com. Oops. Okay, now this is the Klusterbox.com web page, which I own and maintain. So go to Downloads. So you'll see Klusterbox for Mac and Klusterbox Installer for Windows. That's what you want. Okay, there's also Legacy Klusterbox for Windows, but we're not going to deal with that right now. So in Klusterbox Installer for Windows, you got two options. You got 32 bits and 64 bits. Okay, 32-bit is for older computers, and 64-bit is for the newer computers. 32-bit works whether you have a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. So it works with either one, but try the 64-bit first. If that doesn't work, you can always go back to you can always try the 32-bit. Download, save file, and it's downloading up here. That's just how Firefox works. Your browser might work differently. So click on that. I'm going to open this file, and this is what you downloaded. Set up Klusterbox version 4.1 64-bit exe. Double click that. Okay, now you get this screen. This is a Windows Defender. Okay, and the reason you're seeing this is because I don't want to pay $100 for a digital certificate for a program that I'm giving away for free. And it's I don't know if it's a racket or what exactly it is, but it's like $100 a year. So it's not even just a one-time thing. So it's easy to get around. You just click on More Info up here. So you click More Info, and then at the bottom of the screen you click Run Anyway. And okay, and then down here you'll see this little blinking icon down here on your taskbar. Now once I press that, you're not going to be able it's not going to be able to screen capture. So I'm going to take a picture of what you're going to see. Let's see here, I got my phone. And I'll click that thing. Okay, and you press yes. There. Okay, now once you press yes, okay, go back to the installer here. Okay, then you just click next. This is the license. You can read that if you want. Destination folder, just leave that alone. Don't change that. If you change that, then Klusterbox won't work. So click install. And run Klusterbox. You got this check marked here. Let's press finish, and Klusterbox will start running. Now the reason it's not going to the normal screen is because I already have information for Klusterbox set up on this computer. So if you already have information and you're updating, then you're not going to lose that information. So because where the program is and where the database are two different places. So you can update your version of Klusterbox without losing any information at all. So say you're updating from version 4.1 to version 4.0 to version 4.1. It's more of an update than it is an install. But really, what it is, it's installing on top of what you already had. So that's it, and thanks for watching.